Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove a saved Facebook account. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the menu option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and now you can tap on the settings option at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just simply tap on see more in accounts center, and here you will just simply scroll down. Now you can tap on accounts at very last, and here you can see your different Facebook accounts or your saved Facebook accounts. You can just simply tap on remove to remove a saved Facebook accounts on Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.